Welcome to the in front of me POCO M5, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then click here to Wi-Fi section. Now here we can see all the available networks. For example, if you just don't see them, you should click here on this Wi-Fi switcher to activate first Wi-Fi, and after that you can select just one from this network. Here you should enter the password. If you want to see the password, click here on this eye icon. I'll enter the password out of screen. So now let's just tap here to connect. Wait a second, and we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. By the same way, you can select more networks, enter the password, tap to connect, and just after that you can switch between them, for example when you have the slow internet connection. To turn off the Wi-Fi here, we should click on the switcher, and just that's it. Also, we can use Wi-Fi from another way. Just first we should open notification panel here, and to activate Wi-Fi, let's click here on this icon once. If you want to launch the settings, hold for a while this icon, and here we can see the same Wi-Fi settings. So you can select the network, enter the password, and just tap to OK. To turn on Wi-Fi, you should just click here once again on this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.